my boy's made.
Go on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Free and we're back with another video. We are spending the weekend together. I'm not going anywhere apart from my driving lesson today. That's all, and then we're gonna be at home the entire time. So this is Homebody Diaries episode 1. So yeah, it is currently 3 minutes past 12 in the morning. Enjoy the vlog. Good morning. It is 11:24. I woke up at 6. Imagine my body woke me up at 6:30 something, and I'm like, I'm supposed to be getting my beauty sleep here because I slept at like 1-2 o'clock. Then I fell off to sleep. Then I woke up at 9 o'clock. I'm like, come on guys, come on. The alarm I had set was 10 past, quarter past 10, and I was up before my alarm. So we had a young cute little session with the Lord. So I need to bring those back. Like, I've been slacking badly now. I've been like convicted bad to say, well, to see, you know, pulling up. So why must God pull up if I'm not pulling up? So yeah, my auntie for me, bro, I've been getting calls for my position. I'm like, Jesus Christ, I can't even mind these calls because these are all important people. Well, I mean, they're not above him, but you know, yeah. So now I answer them, and like, they're all just making my session. So I need to have another one like later. So I was supposed to go to a lesson in the next 35 minutes. Tell me why I go to my WhatsApp and the sky says 1 o'clock. It's supposed to be 12, not 1. Man then is like, not even hello anything, it just says 1. My auntie phones me and tells me we're going to a party, we need to be ready. And I'm thinking, because I'm going to my driving lesson, maybe tell her 2 o'clock, because if I tell her 2 o'clock, I have like 2 hours with this group wherever we're going. She's like, bet. Now he tells me 1 o'clock, and I'm like, I know his 1 o'clock is not 1 o'clock, it's 1:30. That's number 1. Number 2, I told my auntie 2 o'clock. So now I'm gonna compromise my lesson because of him, first of all. And because I had to tell him that, listen, I had to be somewhere else at like 2 o'clock. So now I'm gonna be rushing the lesson. I'm not gonna be getting my money's worth. So what I did was I told him, can we move it to next week, Saturday, 1 o'clock. I know I'm not gonna be sleeping here, but I'm gonna make arrangements to get myself here by 1. 2, I was gonna do tomorrow, but then tomorrows are like my rest days. Like Sundays are my rest days. So I was like, as in, I'm not even gonna waste my energy on this guy. I just told him 1 o'clock. I can drive, yes, and stuff, but nah, Angie, you're just putting me down, like legit. So my father's like, you should keep writing a review and tell the owner. I think what I'm gonna do is use another number and tell him. So yeah, now I need to eat. I wanted to make white porridge, but it's too late, so I'll probably make that tomorrow morning. Now I'm gonna have last night's chow, and then we're gonna get ready for the party. I just told my aunt she can come at 1 o'clock. Hopefully she sees it, because this man is just, I just want this whole driving thing to be over and just for me to get my license in December and be done, because that's what chows. See that thing? It's that thing that chows my money the most. So yeah, I needed to win. So yeah, let me make my food. I'll see y'all when I make food. So yesterday? No, why are you lying? Last week, Sunday, I think it was Sunday or something, I was washing dishes and I was like, what do I want to cook? Because my parents are coming back tomorrow from their little weekend away thingy with church, and I was like, what am I gonna make for them? So I got this done last week. We got yellow rice, turmeric rice. I don't know how people, I just say it's yellow rice, honestly. Yellow rice, baked beans, crumbed chicken, fried potatoes. I'm thinking of doing the fried potatoes my style, like, yeah, because we've overhad potato salad this week. Like every Sunday when I cook, I need to make sure, well, not need to, but I always made sure that I had potato salad as a salad. Now I'm tired of it, and there's also no bacon bit, so it doesn't taste nasty like that. So yeah, that's all I can say. Imagine I just wanted to talk to you guys, that's all. This weather's looking quite shaky. Like I'm thinking of an outfit, but also a kiddie's party. I need to wash my shoes, they're filthy. Then I'm for dessert, I'm gonna have my cake, my cupcake and milk. And yeah, I will see y'all. Not for real when I'm eating. I'm not even gonna talk when I'm eating, so yeah. My sister is so obsessed with wrestling, and now I'm also watching because it's kind of interesting. I'm not even gonna lie. That's my OOTD for the day. I think okay. My hair is giving. I combed it out a bit. That thing helped. So now I'm gonna vlog on the phone when you're going to Amashu because I'm taking a camera. But so I don't share but so I don't want that. Don't want that. I'll see y'all. Sorry, you must. Sorry.
No.
Sorry. Hello. Say hi to the vlog. This uncle put a car. Check out. You must bring it for prayers. You must come bring it for prayers. You missed me. Say hi to the vlog. You missed me. You missed me. That's a very important question. Hello. I'm gonna see you next week also. You missed me. Oh really? Hello, you missed me. Hello? You dad put a call, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
So how to the vlog so that you're gonna see what's up on my channel.
I wish I could be in your channel.
You are gonna be because it's going on my channel. So what you wanna say? Hey! Why are you being mean? We landed. I'm not even gonna talk a lot because my phone's gonna be with the children. So whatever BTS all gets, please be grateful. Because I want to vlog now, but I haven't vlogged this side before, so now it's like, yeah. My uncle bought a car. Crazy thing. And guess what? Who's gonna drive it? To the vlog.
Woman.
Oh yo, where's the duke and all that? Oh, nice. My boy is made. We're back on the camera. There's no lights per se, and it like stresses me a lot. This is the fridge before. Clean it. The after's coming just now when I'm done. This is the after. Yo, I'm around 7 Shem. Tomorrow we're gonna tackle the freezer. Check how much ice is in here. See that? Ice. I'm gonna defrost everything tonight. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You know what? No more spinach from now in this house because Yazi, we feel and we hardly eat it. So yeah. Thankfully it's only 1, 2, 3 and then the outside and then here. Maybe I should just wipe here for I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, that's the fridge. Dinner is served. It is 8:29, but it's quite late time for dinner, but it's fine. It's just the two of us. So yeah, let's go and eat. I'm so excited. Oh, come in, thank you. But couldn't be that do these chords together, so I swear next man to specimen smooth. Hey, clean cut and dapper. Has it? Oh wait. There we go. It is Sunday. I woke up quite early. Like I was up by like 5:30 or something. And I sat in bed. Only got out of bed at like 7. Then I made porridge. Oh, been craving this porridge. I haven't had this porridge in a very long time. So I was like, oh, let me just spoil myself. And yeah. Let me show you how it is now. That I've mixed everything. Okay. I need to take. Yeah. Oh, my lord. If you want some, come to my house, I'll make you. Today, I have to clean the deep freezer, and then I have to cook and clean. I don't have to clean that because the house was cleaned. I was like, Friday night, I cleansed it. So I'm just clean it today. I'm gonna clean this side, and then I'm already started. I already put my rice on, so the cooking part is already getting started. And then I might wrap up this vlog and start another vlog. We love this little life. We love this young life. But now I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast and watch a YouTube video. Enjoy the montage. I don't think I'm gonna talk a lot today. I just wanna. So yeah, by 10 I should be done with cooking and stuff. And then yeah, there we go. There's someone called Anonymous 20863. I love you. I love you. This chick commented the other day, and let me see what she said. She said, I love it, girl, you always use in your videos. Love that. There's other comments she added on the thingy, on the channel, and I was like, oh, Anonymous babe, love you, girl. If you, I think you're a girl, but she's giving girl. She's giving a girl's girl. This is the freezer before. This is the freezer after. It even smells clean. This lighting, why is it always? We are done cooking. It is 10 to 12. I'm tired, but we're having a time. So now, and also while I was cooking, I was washing dishes. So there's only this pan left. Where is it? Only this pan left. And then I have to clean the stove, and then we're done, and then we'll do my little self-care Sunday vlog. Yo, hey, but someone to film me like the week. I record that from Friday, and today's Sunday, and we made it, and we actually filmed, and we never give up. This is Jamali. Hey vlog, I kind of misplaced my outro. So I have to film another one. I'm really sure there are other parts of the vlog missing, but it's okay. Already there's a lot to cut out, but we're here with another outro. Thank you for watching. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Sorry if I not uploaded that other day, that one day. Like there was supposed to be an order, but yeah. So basically, happy vlogmas because kunzima kwasiyami kule ndawo, and yabo next year I'll be better. I promise. I won't even miss 1 week. As vlogmas, you won't miss a single day. But anyway, man, I hope you enjoyed it. I will see y'all when I see y'all.